How to turn on or turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Restricted mode on TikTok is a feature that helps users filter potentially inappropriate content such as violence, hate speech, and similar. In today's video, you will see how you can also turn on or turn off restricted mode on your TikTok profile. So let's start by opening the TikTok app. Go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines. A menu with several options will appear. Select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the Content and Display section where we can find the option we need, which is Content Preferences. Click on it. As you can see, there is the Restricted Mode option which is currently turned off for me. Click on it. As it says, restricted mode is off, which means TikTok will show me content that might be inappropriate for some people. To change that, I need to turn on restricted mode, which will filter out and show less of the inappropriate content. I will now turn on the restricted mode by clicking on the Turn On button at the bottom of the screen. Restricted mode requires setting a password to enable or disable it. Enter a 4-digit password of your choice and remember it because you will need it whenever you turn on or off restricted mode. Continue by clicking on the Next button. Enter the password again for confirmation, and complete the process by clicking on the Set button. At the top of the screen, you will see a notification confirming that you have turned on restricted mode. Now I will show you how to turn off restricted mode. The process is the same. Go to your profile and repeat the steps. When you reach the restricted mode function, simply click on the Turn Off button. Enter the password and confirm with Next. And you have turned off restricted mode again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want more similar content, click on the subscribe button and don't miss any tutorial.